Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome, my name is Alma. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. It's late at night. I just got home from work. I was about to shower, but I got a package. I want to do this unboxing now. I can't wait. So let's do it. I just purchased a new bag. Obviously, by the title of this video, you're going to see that it's a Coach bag.
Yay!
What bag is it? All right, let's do this. I'm gonna open my box. When I got the notification at work, I was like, and this is my first Coach purchase that I purchased myself in a very long time, very long. I'm still into Longchamp bags, but anyways, I've been seeing that Coach has been stepping up their game when it comes down to their quality and their products. I like how they're not like, you know, they got the logo everywhere or like big logos or something. I like them very small and, you know, just classy and conservative or whatever. I don't know what you call it. Okay. Oh shoot, I almost dropped the camera. So this is how it looks. Oh my god. Yeah, I had it like gift wrapped. So here's the Coach tape. Lily wants to come in the video. I don't even have room here. Anyways, and it has this on the top. I don't know, it says this Coach box. It is made of 75% recycled, blah, blah, blah. But anyways, why am I reading that? I even feel like saving the sticker. So I open it and this is how it looks. See?
Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
That's big.
Yep, this is my gift to myself. It's a Christmas present that I gave to myself, very well deserved. And yeah, and there's a card here. It comes like this. And the card says, "Thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with quality and attention to detail. Coach has been known for since 1941. Blah, blah, blah. If you have any questions, call the number." Okay, so this is the box, and it has a little note.
A note?
Let's see what I wrote. And it says, you're an amazing, strong, beautiful woman. I love you."
Really, Mom?
Yeah.
Look,
You just have to praise yourself.
my cat is there on the box.
Sorry, baby. I don't mean to cover your face. Oh my god, it's so cute. I've seen other videos of people unboxing their bags and yeah, I can't get over the bow and oh my god, I don't want to undo it. They're so right. Like, it's so beautiful that you don't want to unwrap it. But here we go.
My cat is on the box. Missing the box.
Oh, Lucy,
Yeah.
she loves the box.
Yeah.
And here we go.
Open it.
And here is the inside. Lily wants to help. Oh my god. I love it already. So I got the Coach Plaza bag. I needed a bag so when I go out and about. Here's the logo tag. Next time, the next bag that I wanna go get it, I'm gonna go get it at the store, and I just want the whole experience of purchasing a bag in store. I want it wrapped. I want it embroidered here. I love it. See, I like how the logo is small, very like classy and conservative. Here's the inside. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I saw that you could wear this as a wristlet or a purse like this. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Hold on, let me look on the inside. Oh.
And you can also wear it like this.
Ooh.
Okay, so I took out all the stuff from inside. And this is how it looks. Perfect for just like your phone, your wallet, maybe your sunglasses.
What is this?
Trash. And it comes with the thing. Oh my gosh, I just can't wait to use my new bag. I love it so much. It's small and it's perfect for a night out or a quick, I gotta go run errands real quick, or you know, going to go have dinner. It's really cute. Look at the buckle. I like the detail, the details. Oh my god. I am so excited.
We got top right there.
This is so cool. I love it so much. Every little thing has the Coach logo and like it's small.
You always love it, Mama?
Yeah, I love it. This thing has a logo. The actual little hole here has a logo. I love it. I love how, like, you know, I don't like it with the C's everywhere, and it's, I don't know, I just like it very simple, very classy. I love this bag. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. This was so exciting, and I'll see you guys on the next video.